You ever just lay in bed at 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling, replaying every awkward thing you've ever said, or worrying about tomorrow's to-do list that you haven't even started? Yeah, welcome to the 3 a.m. mindset. It's that weird hour when your brain suddenly decides to wake up and throw a party, except the party is full of anxiety, regrets, and overthinking. But here's the thing, you're not broken. You're just stuck in a loop your brain accidentally built. And in this video, I'm going to show you why it happens and how to finally stop it. So, if you've ever said, I'll just scroll for 5 more minutes, and suddenly it's 3:27 a.m., this one's for you. Okay, let's start with the science why part, but I promise, I'll keep it simple. When the world goes quiet at night, there's nothing left to distract you. No notifications. No people. No noise. And your brain, which has been busy avoiding emotions all day, finally gets a chance to dump everything it's been holding in. That's why all your thoughts hit you at once. The test you failed. The text you didn't reply to. The future you're terrified of. It's like your brain goes, hey, remember all that emotional junk you ignored? Yeah, let's unpack it now, when you're trying to sleep. And because your logical brain is half asleep, your emotional brain takes over. That's when small problems suddenly feel massive. A minor mistake starts to feel like your life's falling apart. But here's the truth, it's not the night that's the problem. It's what your mind does with silence. Let me guess, this is how it goes. You're tired. You get into bed. You check your phone one last time. Then one YouTube short turns into 20. And by the time you finally close your eyes, your brain's wide awake. You start thinking about that assignment due next week. Then somehow that turns into, what am I even doing with my life? You spiral. You stare at the ceiling. You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll fix everything. But tomorrow comes, and you're exhausted again. Welcome to the 3 a.m. cycle. Alright, let's fix this. Here are 4 ways to break the 3 a.m. mindset, inspired by psychology and personal experience. Number 1. The mental download, also called brain dump. When your mind's racing, it's trying not to forget something. So instead of letting it run wild, write it down. Grab your phone's notes app or a small journal. List every single thing you're thinking about, from email professor to fix my sleep schedule. Once it's written, your brain relaxes. It knows those thoughts are safe somewhere. You're literally telling your mind, don't worry, I got it. It's crazy how just writing for 2 minutes can make your head feel 10 pounds lighter. Number 2. The body trick. Your brain listens to your body. If your body says, danger, your brain freaks out. If your body says, we're safe, your brain chills. So the next time you're spiraling, focus on the physical. Relax your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Take 1 deep breath. In for 4 seconds, out for 6. That small reset tells your nervous system, we're okay. Do it a few times and watch how fast the panic fades. Number 3. The 10-minute rule. If you can't sleep, don't force it. Your bed shouldn't feel like a battlefield. Get up. Sit somewhere dim. Do something low stimulation. Read a page, stretch, or sip water. After 10 minutes, go back to bed. It breaks the association between your bed and anxiety. Your brain learns, this is where I rest, not overthink. Number 4. The self-talk shift. At night, your inner voice gets louder. And honestly, sometimes it's a jerk. It says things like, you're behind, or, you're not doing enough. But here's the secret, you don't have to believe that voice. Try saying, okay brain, I hear you, but we're not solving this now. It's weirdly powerful. You take control of the conversation instead of being trapped in it. Over time, your brain learns that nighttime isn't problem-solving time, it's rest time. Here's the real talk. Everyone overthinks. Everyone has those nights where it feels like your brain's out to ruin your peace. But what if, instead of fighting it, you used it as a signal? A reminder that something in your day needs your attention tomorrow. Because the 3 a.m. version of you isn't trying to hurt you. It's just the part of you that's finally being honest. So tonight, don't spiral. Write it down. Breathe. tell your brain, "We'll deal with this in the morning." And actually keep that promise. Pause, calm tone. You deserve rest. You've done enough today. Now let tomorrow's version of you handle the rest. If this hit home, try these steps tonight and see how you feel tomorrow. And hey, if you want more real talk like this, hit subscribe. Let's level up together, one night at a time.